Accidentally deleted voicemails on your iPhone? Don't worry, in this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to recover deleted voicemails, with or without a backup. Way 1. Retrieve deleted voicemails from iPhone recently deleted folder. Open the phone app and tap Voicemail at the bottom right. Scroll down and tap Deleted Messages. Select the voicemail you want and tap Undelete. Way 2. Recover deleted voicemails on iPhone from iTunes Backup. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone. Click the device icon summary Restore Backup. Select a backup and click Restore. Way 3. Restore deleted voicemail on iPhone from iCloud Backup. Go to Settings, General, Reset, Erase all content and settings. Set up iPhone, choose Restore from iCloud Backup, sign and select a backup. Way 4. Retrieve deleted voicemail on iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Can't find voicemails in deleted messages and don't want to overwrite data with iTunes or iCloud? Try Mobican Doctor for iOS. It lets you selectively recover voicemails from iTunes Backup without erasing existing data. Step 1. Run Doctor for iOS on your computer. Download and install the iPhone voicemail recovery software on your computer. Choose the Recover from iTunes Backup file mode from the main interface, and the software will detect all iTunes backup files on your computer. Step 2. Scan the iTunes backup file. Choose your desired iTunes backup and click on the Start Scan button. Then, all recoverable data types are scanned out and displayed in categories. Select the Voice Memos folder and click Start Scan again. Step 3. Start iPhone deleted voicemail recovery. After the scan, just choose the voicemails you need by ticking them off, and click on the Recover to Computer button from the bottom right to save all recovered voice messages on your computer. Doctor for iOS can also export existing voicemail from iPhone to computer. All what you need to do is choosing Recover from iOS device. Select Voice Memos category and click Start Scan. Finally, choose the scanned out voice memos and export them to computer. By clicking Recover to Computer,